I am Brandon Rabe, and I'm a Woz U grad, and I currently work at GlassBiller as a full-stack developer. When I decided to attend Woz U, a few things were going on in my life. I had just moved back to Phoenix, and my previous life, I had spent some time as a developer for some indie software gaming companies, but decided I wanted to get more into the web development and full-stack development arena. Woz U prepared me for my current job with its intensity. In my current job, I have to be able to learn new things in a moment's notice. I have to be able to pick up new languages, new front-end frameworks, and just about everything. And Woz U allowed me to jump into a topic and learn it in a short period of time while still gaining the necessary knowledge to actually complete the task. My typical day at GlassBiller starts with checking my email to see if I have any logs or errors that have come through. Once I take care of those, then I go ahead and grab the next card off the stack to start working on, let's say, a new feature, or maybe pick up what I didn't get done the day before. And the rest of the day, I just get to play with code. One of the other really cool things is, because of the way that we've built our software application, we actually can get almost immediate feedback, and I can actually go and see how my features are being used. And that is just awesome. One of my favorite stories from my time at Woz U was during the project phase. I had, during a moment of epiphany, came up with a tool that was going to be super useful for the application that we were going to make. But then as I started working with it, I realized that it could actually be useful for applications outside of what we had created. So I made an appointment with the instructor to have him come and take a look at what I had created. And after the conversation that I had with him, which was one of the most intellectually awesome conversations that I've ever had, we decided that I needed to go ahead and publish the package. So that particular moment in creating that tool was probably one of my favorite and most enjoyable moments at Woz U. The best advice that I can give to future Woz U students or current Woz U students is this knowledge is not gained by osmosis. You can't just show up. You have to step up. And if you put in the work, the rewards will be amazing.